When he beat you up, it should have been you with the boss. My young dude money, sprays the off. You don't get dirty, cause it takes a loss. You don't have what it takes to make a boss. You take the bus, you fake ass boss. To get a club, you sell pussy. When I saw sparks, I saw pussy. I'm on neutral, I dare you to push me. I told you, you never had a chance. When the Hulk gets mad, he's avalanche. Marcus is a house nigga at a glance. Jealous of the dark-skinned god. Listen, I'm a marksman god. I'll do a big one, told ya. The P90 with a glimpse of the truth. I've got more killers than Parkdale than you. Parkdale drink, dancing with orangutans. Everyone in my gang will bang. The worst combo is a bitch and a bitch. I got a combo, a clip and a clip. Cowboy style, flicking the hip. Someone thinks the fuck soldier, she's drinking a trick. I don't need it, she passed when I'm hitting the script. Some get clubbed by licking their dick. That's rat, that's a fucking rat. He's not gonna over, but you can't come back. Ryan, saying I hate you, desperate. Better leave Tio, that's your best bet. No dog, Roman K's your best bet. Ain't talking about fireworks. Long weekend, you took it on fireworks. Dumb motherfucker, I'll show you how fire works. The horse was beat, you ran a train on Sonya. Me and Scotian came on Sonya. Alvin walked in, shame on Sonya. I said, calm down, you can play with Sonya. I was special, didn't pay with Sonya. When we went in the club, we played with Sonya. I know 40 niggas who ain't with Sonya. I can hook it up if you got paid with Sonya. With who? With a veteran, one in your head. You need a veteran. Shame on a nigga, white bitch and slave him. God sent avalanche to save him. Nikki thought she left her man fuck a proxy. They were jealous, my wrists were frosty. This beat for you will be costly. They say I'm Canada's Canada's. I'm laughing at these talentless challenges. Coming from a show cause I wouldn't get your molly. You go both ways, I would've got your holly. I'm a pro, I can do this all night. You a slave nigga, you do this all tight. Canadian labyrinth, the mood sound right.